All right, guys, I'm gonna do this quick video right here. And I'm doing this on behalf of a builder, guys. If you are a builder, one of the hardest things that you could do is you can come in. It's really, really tough, guys. If you come in and you go to a Home Depot or Lowe's, it's really difficult. And let me tell you why it is difficult. Because I'm going in here to look for one thing. Well, two things. And I got to go through all this stuff to figure out what this thing is. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, man, in most cases, they constantly shifting this stuff around. So even if you have a particular store that you go to, you're still gonna be stuck with trying to figure this stuff out. I mean, it is a headache. I mean, I try to use the signs, guys. You can use the signs right here. Signs can help you out a little bit. So I'm looking for fasteners. I don't see anything to say fasteners, man. Hey, where your fasteners at?
The who now?
Fasteners. Like your nails.
Our nails are on out too.
Out too.
Mm-hmm.
So that's all the way down there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably where your fasteners at. Thanks. Guys, this it's really, how you doing, man? It's really tough, man, because I got to go through. I got to get right back to the job site. I got to knock this right here out the way, and then I got to find what I'm looking for through all this stuff right here, man. And you know, for a builder like myself, man, you know, I just want to go straight to what I need to go to and get up out of here quick. And this is where the fastener's at. But this is one of the toughest things, guys. And then you're probably gonna get, and I think what they should do is they should do a crash course with these people that now I got to go through and find. I'm looking for some galvanized roofing nails. You know, I'm probably in the wrong place. I probably need to be in roofing, but all the fasteners should be right along in here, guys. I mean, this is, tell you what, man, this, there you go, right there. That's what I'm looking for right here. And I just need a small bucket full of them because I'm using these right here to install windows. So this is probably what I'm looking for right here. So I can get me I don't need quite that many of them. I'm thinking I probably need this right here. This is good. I may get 2 boxes of these. And I need window flashing. And in a lot of cases, man, you know, you see people you don't really want to, you can see it on their face that you don't really want to ask them what stuff is because they work in a certain department where if it ain't in their department, they ain't got no clue. And so I don't even want to listen to them try to figure it out. You know, I ain't got time. My time is valuable. So I don't even want to stop and talk to them and say, hey, well, that's not my department. Let me call somebody in that department. And then you're gonna wait until they find somebody in that department. Better yet, if you get in the department where you need the stuff at, most time they're not gonna be there. So I'm gonna need window flashing. See, they're not here. There's nobody sitting around here. I need some window flashing. And every time I come in places like this right here, man, I end up figuring out that I need 3 or 4 more things. So, I hate these right here stores, man. I hate coming to these stores. It's a nightmare. I just thought I'd do that quick video. You guys have, I guess I'm an angry old man now. My wife told me that I'm an angry old dude. I get frustrated with people too quick. And I guess that's what happens when you start to get older. My patience started to wear away. I just don't have time for people who just don't know. You guys have a good one. Here's another thing I hate about these big box stores too, man. If you drive a small car like a Prius or something, it always, every time I come out the store, I could never see my car. It's almost like people park around my car to keep me from seeing it. Look at that. There goes my little car right there. Oh, man. I guess I'm just becoming an angry old man, man. Maybe I need to change myself from the alpha builder to the angry builder. You guys have a good one.